I got 1 million views with 0 subscribers. The biggest lie in the creator economy is that you need an audience to get an audience. They tell you to build a community, post for years and earn your spot, but they are wrong, or at least they are not telling you the whole truth. I'm about to show you the step-by-step strategy I used on a brand new channel to get over 1 million views by creating loopable content that signals the algorithm to pay attention. And by the end of this, you will have the exact blueprint to do the same. Let me know if this sounds familiar. You spend hours, maybe days, scripting, shooting, and editing a video you genuinely proud of. You pour your heart and soul into it. You hit publish and cricket, a handful of views, and you are pretty sure half of them are from your mom. It feels like you are shouting into a void. That was me. I started the channel from absolute scratch, 0 subscribers. I was in a niche I loved, but nobody knew who I was. I did everything they tell you to do. Find your niche, be authentic, just be consistent. So I did. I posted video after video, and all I got back was the soul crashing silence of single-digit views. Now that advice isn't bad, it's just incomplete. It's like having a race car with no key. The frustration is so real. You see other channels pop up out of nowhere ranking millions of views, and you are just left wondering, what am I doing wrong? What is the secret? It's a cycle that makes so many talented creators quit before they even really start. I was almost one of them. I was convinced I was just going to be another digital ghost town on YouTube servers. My hype moment didn't come from $1,000 course from or a webinar from a group. It came from pure obsession. I started reverse engineering viral content, not just in my niche but all over YouTube, especially shorts. I realized something fundamental. The algorithm doesn't care about your subscriber count. It doesn't care about you. It cares about one thing: viewers' satisfaction. Think about it. YouTube's entire business is built on keeping people on their platform for as long as humanly possible. The algorithm is the engine that makes that happen. It consistently texting. When you upload a video, especially a short, it gets shown to a small seed audience to see how they react. YouTube is measuring everything. Do they watch it? Did they sweep away? Did they watch it all the way through? And the golden question, do they watch it again? If that small audience loves your video, it sends a massive signal to the algorithm. Hey people like this. It's satisfying. In response, YouTube starts pushing it out to a much wider audience. Suddenly, it's not about your subscribers finding your content. It's about the algorithm finding an audience for your content. My entire strategy changed overnight. I stopped trying to please some imaginary subscribers. I stopped begging for views. Instead, I had a new mission. Make a video so satisfying that to that initial seed audience that the algorithm had no choice but to show it to everyone. And the key to that is a little concept I call the imperfect loop. This is the heart of the strategy. A loopable video isn't just perfect, seamless GIF. It's a shot that is built so the end naturally flows back to the beginning, creating a powerful psychological urge to rewatch it. Getting someone to watch your 30-second video twice is the same as getting 100% audience retention on a 60-second video. To the algorithm, that metric is pure gold. So how do you actually do it? It boils down to 4 simple steps, which is number 1, the 3-second contract. You don't have 30 seconds to get to the point. You have 3. The second your video starts, you have to hit them with a hook so strong it physically stops their thumb from sweeping. This isn't flashy intro, it's an immediate question, a shocking result, or starting right in the middle of the action. Your first 3 seconds are a promise to the viewer that this is worth their time. Fail here, they are gone, nothing else matters. Here is step 2. Engineer the imperfect loop. This is the magic. You structure your story so the end of your video is also the setup for the beginning. For example, a video starts with the question, how did I create this insane sculpture? It then flashes through the process, and the very last shot is the finished sculpture in all its glory. The viewer's brain immediately thinks, wait, how did they do that? Right as the video loops back to the start, it creates an endless question and answer cycle. Another way is a satisfying repeatable action, a perfect baseball shot, a drawer clicking shot, a memorizing factory machine. The leap feels natural, not forced, and people rewatched 2 or 3 times before they even notice. So here is step 3, the first 15 to 35 seconds sweet spot. Short can be up to a minute, but the sweet spot for a loopable video is right around 15 to 35 seconds. Why? It's low commitment acts. It's a way easier to get someone to watch a 20-second video to the end then a 60-second one. Hitting a 100% completion rate or even 200% from loops sends an incredible, powerful signal that your content is a high quality one. Here is step 4. Deliver actual value. A clear loop isn't enough on its own. The content has to deliver real value. That value might be entertainment, like a funny skit, education, like a quack tutorial, or just pure satisfaction. The loophole is the delivery system, but the value is what makes someone feel good about having watched. Without it, even a perfect loop just feels like a cheap trick. By the way, if this blueprint is starting to click, you can see how to apply it. Do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button. I'm breaking down strategies just like this every single week, and I want to help you get there. The case study 0 to million. So if I put my theory to the test, I started a brand new channel, no videos, no subscriber, nothing. I picked a visual niche that was perfect for satisfying loopable content. I made my first shot following those 4 steps. I obsessed over the 3 seconds hook. I built the narrative to have that imperfect loop. I kept it tight, just 18 seconds long, and I made sure the content itself was genuinely interesting. I uploaded it, added a few relevant keywords in the description to give YouTube some contents, and then I just walked away. Few hours later, I checked 500 views. This was the seed. The test. I was nervous. Was the loop working? The next morning, I opened the app, and my jaw was about to hit the floor. It was at 50,000 views. The algorithm has given it the green light. The views weren't coming from search or my non-existent subscribers. They were all from the short feed. From there, it was exponential. 100,000 views, 500,000 views. Just 16 days after I posted that first video on a channel with 0 subscribers, it shot past 1 million views. The subscribers followed the views. The audience was built by the viral video, not the other way round. This wasn't a lucky break. It's a replicable system, but your first viral hit is just the start. The real goal is building a sustainable channel from that momentum. First, be consistent, but with a twist. It's not about posting junk every day. It's about consistently applying the loopable framework to quality ideas. Focus on 1 or 2 amazing loopable shots a week instead of 7 mediocre ones. Second, analyze what is working. Don't just stare at the view count. Dive into your YouTube analytics. Look at viewed versus sweep away. If tons of people are sweeping away in the first seconds, you know your hook failed. Look at your audience retention. Can you see where people get bored? And tighten that section up. This data is your roadmap. Third, use trends as take a trendy audio track or format, but apply your own unique loopable structures to it. This gives the algorithm another familiar data point to latch onto, which can amplify your reach. The game has changed. Stop chasing subscribers, start chasing viewers. Start chasing viewer satisfaction. Stop begging for attention, start earning it by respecting the viewer's time and psychology. The system isn't about who you are anymore, it's about how well your content performs in a vacuum. You don't need an audience to build an audience. You need a strategy that gets to the algorithm to build it for you. This loopable content framework is that strategy. It's the key to the race car. So what are you waiting for? Go make your first loopable video and let me know in the comments how it goes. And if you want to see how I apply similar psychological trick to long form videos to minimize watch time, you are going to watch my next video right here.